The 1.2 billion cards in today's American wallets haven't changed much in the past 50 years. Their magnetic stripes use the same technology cassette tapes did. Remember those? 2015 is the year cards take a giant leap forward. Traditional US magnetic stripe cards will soon be replaced with a card that includes an embedded microchip. The chip, also known as EMV, is like a mini computer that provides enhanced security to every transaction. And starting October 1st of 2015, merchants who don't upgrade to accept chip cards may be liable for card-related fraud if it happens in their stores. So how do you show your customers that you care about their information security while protecting your business against liability? It's easy. First, talk to your payments provider. You may already be able to accept chip cards. If not, they'll walk you through the steps to becoming EMV ready. It could be as simple as a card terminal upgrade. This upgrade is an opportunity to accept new, cutting-edge payment options that your customers want. Not just contact EMV cards, but contactless cards, and even mobile wallets using NFC or near-field communication technology. It's also about customer service. Consumers know that these cards will help them shop safer, so they'll choose merchants who take this seriously and strive to sell safely. EMV and NFC-capable terminals will change how your customers pay. When using EMV, they'll insert their chip card to the POS terminal, follow the prompts, and remove the card when the terminal indicates that the transaction is complete. Shoppers using NFC will wave or tap their smartphone in front of a wireless reader. You'll want to teach your employees how these transactions work at the terminal so that they'll be ready to coach customers through the process. That's it, and your investment in EMV and mobile payments will pay off with your customers. Visit sellsafeinfo.org to prepare your business for a new standard in safety and security.